ChatGPT is being heralded as a game changer, and in many ways it is. Its latest triumph outscoring people on tricky standardized testing.
AI is making so much progress so quickly that it's hard to believe. Are you ready for the future of AI language models? Well, get ready to be shocked by the new and improved GPT-4 by OpenAI. In this video, we'll dive into some of the most exciting and controversial topics surrounding the newly launched GPT-4. We'll explore GPT-4 plugins that will change the way you interact with AI, but that's not all. We'll also delve into the last step towards AGI, the controversy and problems surrounding OpenAI, and where AI is headed in the future. Want to find out about how this groundbreaking update will change the game for AI? Then stay tuned in this video. Let's first start by explaining what a plugin actually is. Plugins are software components that can be added to a system to give it more features than it has. Plugins are designed specifically for language models like GPT-4, with safety as a core principle. They allow the model to access up-to-date information, run computations, or use third-party services. GPT-4 can talk to a third-party website and get information from them, significantly improving its ability to answer questions correctly. To use a plugin, GPT-4 needs to connect it to a new plugin feature that OpenAI has added. This feature is still in its alpha phase, so only a few users can use it first. Before the new feature on GPT-4 is made available to more people, users must put themselves on a waitlist. At first, there will only be 11 plugins available, which let users check the scores of live sporting events, book international flights, and buy food for home delivery. In the announcement, OpenAI said that the plugins also included the math computer Wolfram, which can be used for calculations, and the Slack business messaging app. OpenAI also noted that the plugins would be released slowly to be tested in the real world. This ensures that they are safe, secure, and functional. Before they are available to the public, GPT-4 uses the Bing API to search for information and a text-based web browser to navigate results and interact with websites. It can combine data from multiple sources to give a more grounded answer. It also lists the sources it used, so users can see where GPT-4 got its response from. One of the most exciting things about this update is that it might help fix one of GPT-4's biggest problems. GPT-4 was trained with data only up to September 2021 and couldn't access the internet to get more recent information. That's all been changed now. The new plugin feature could also change how we interact with artificial intelligence by letting GPT-4 interact with third-party websites. It can do things now that it couldn't do before. For example, users can now ask GPT-4 to book a flight or order food delivery, and GPT-4 will handle the whole process. The plugins also have the potential to improve productivity and streamline workflows by letting GPT-4 access third-party services like Slack or Zapier. This means that users can automate tasks and receive notifications without leaving the chat window. This saves time and reduces the risk of errors. Before we proceed further, we just want to ask you to hit the like button because the AI that controls the YouTube algorithm needs that to boost our video. Is GPT-4 the last step towards AGI? That could very well be. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, is the hypothetical intelligence of a machine that can understand or learn any intellectual task that a human can. AGI is seen as the ultimate goal of AI, and its achievement is the subject of much debate and speculation. The GPT-4 plugin is a significant step toward AGI because it lets the AI learn new things and interact with the world more naturally. This means the AI can learn new things and then update its knowledge based in real time. This is a big step towards AGI, because one of the essential parts of human intelligence is the ability to learn and adapt to new situations. This is a big step towards AGI because one of the essential parts of human intelligence is interacting with the world meaningfully. AGI will likely significantly impact many industries, from healthcare to finance to manufacturing. AGI could be used to solve some of the world's biggest problems like poverty, disease, and climate change. It could also change the way we live as machines become more intelligent. AGI, on the other hand, comes with a lot of risks. One of the biggest worries is that AGI could become too bright and threaten human existence. Another chance is that AGI could be used for bad things, like making autonomous weapons or keeping inequality alive. Despite these risks, many experts believe that AGI is inevitable. As AI develops and changes, machines will likely become as intelligent as humans. The GPT-4 plugin feature is a significant step toward this goal because it lets the AI learn new things, which is a vital part of human intelligence. Even though AGI has a lot of risks, many experts think it will happen and will change many industries. Adding the GPT-4 plugin is just one of the steps that need to be taken to get there. But it is an important one. But what about OpenAI's controversy and problems? Well, OpenAI has been called a trailblazer in the field of artificial intelligence for a long time, but it's been criticized for not being as open as its name suggests. Even though the company has made a lot of progress in AI, it has been reluctant to share details about its models, leaving many experts to wonder what this means. The lack of transparency is a big problem, especially given how powerful the technology that OpenAI has been developing is. With their new plugin feature, the company's AI chatbot, GPT-4, can now get information from online sources and interact with third-party websites. This could be a game changer in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Some experts worry that the company's lack of openness could be a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it lets OpenAI keep its competitive edge and maintain its position as a leader in the field. On the other hand, it raises concerns about the potential dangers of unchecked AI development. The fear is that available AI could develop far more advanced and robust technology than anything we have seen before. This could have significant consequences for the future of humanity. Many experts have called for OpenAI to be more open about its models and research. This would help others understand how the technology works and ensure it is being developed reasonably and ethically. Some have even suggested that the company should be subject to more regulation to ensure their work is safe. AGI is AI that can do any intellectual task that a human can do. This could include functions like creativity, problem solving, and even consciousness. If and when AGI is developed, it could change the world as we know it. However, AGI is still a long way off. Many experts are worried that OpenAI's work is the forefront of AI development, and that the company's unwillingness to share details about its models only adds to the uncertainty. If the technology is being developed behind closed doors, there is a chance that the biases and perspectives of a select few could shape it. This could have profound implications for how AI is used in society, especially in healthcare and criminal justice. Ultimately, OpenAI's lack of transparency raises more questions than answers. While the company's work is undoubtedly groundbreaking, it is also shrouded in secrecy, making us uneasy. But we don't know what that impact might be. If OpenAI wants to be a leader in AI, it must embrace transparency and openness. This will not only help calm fears about the potential dangers of unchecked AI development, but it will also help ensure that the technology is developed responsibly and ethically. Only then can we be sure we aren't creating a monster we can't control. The final question is, where is AI going? AI has come a long way since its inception and has revolutionized the way we live, work, and interact. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and drones, AI is everywhere. But what does the future hold for AI? Will it continue to evolve and improve, or will it plateau? One thing is for sure, the future of AI is an exciting and unpredictable one. One of the most significant questions surrounding AI's future is whether it will replace humans entirely. While AI can perform many tasks more efficiently and accurately than humans, there are still some things that only humans can do. However, with the advancement of AI technology, it's not hard to imagine a future where AI takes over many jobs currently performed by humans. So, what will humans do in a world where AI takes over many jobs? Will we have to retrain ourselves for new careers? Or will we merge with AI to become superhumans? We don't have all the answers yet, but we do know that OpenAI's GPT-4 is an exciting step forward in artificial intelligence. Can't get enough of AI? Here are some awesome videos you can watch next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the world of AI. Thanks for watching.